Are you familiar with the term IAQ, indoor air quality? If you're not, you're going to want to get familiar with this term because now that we've been going through this entire pandemic with COVID-19, with germs, viruses, pathogens, all of this stuff, your patrons, your customers, your employees and staff, as well as people that might lease out of your building are going to be wanting to ask you what sort of actions, what sort of things are you implementing to improve the air quality in this building, in this facility. So if you're a facility manager, a building manager, or someone that has to do with commercial buildings, you're going to want to learn more about this. Now, here's the thing about IAQ and what you need to understand is that IAQ, indoor air quality, isn't just about how much fresh air you bring into the building. It's about what you do to kill these viruses immediately and guaranteed as well too. Now, there is this one technology that I would say is probably one of the top ones right now, and it is called bipolar ionization. If you want to learn more about bipolar ionization, what I recommend to you is you simply just click on the link that's going to be below you or to the side of you, and you click on it to learn more. What I'll do is I'll send you a document that's going to explain more about bipolar ionization, the benefits of it, how it's going to kill the majority of the germs inside of your entire facility, on surfaces, anywhere. On top of that, you're going to be saving significant amount of money when it comes to running your HVAC system. And here's the other part. With this new CARE Act that the current administration has actually passed, you'll be getting tax savings on this as well too. So your investments immediately are going to be able to be written off. And this is something you're going to want to learn more about. So if you're interested in learning more about this whole IAQ, if you're interested in learning more about this whole bipolar ionization, click on that link below. Make sure you give me your contact information so I can send you this really cool article about it and why you want to learn more about this stuff and why you want to get this installed into your facility. I'll talk to you guys later.